What's up, fam? I'm Foshefo234 Dev, and today we're going to be diving into the newest drop from Elon Musk's X AI, Grok AI. Rumor has it, this app is reimagining what AI can do. Released initially back in 2023 and getting a fresh update in 2025, Grok AI isn't just hype, it's been engineered to be, by some claims, the smartest AI out there. Alright, let's get into it. First up, you open your app store and search for Grok AI. Make sure you grab the official app by XAI so you're getting the real deal. Once you find it, tap get, and then your Apple will ask you to verify your Face ID using your Face ID. Then it will install. And pro tip, ensure that your iPhone is running on an iOS 14 or higher for the best performance. After installation, open the app, you'll land on the welcome screen. You can choose to sign in with your Apple ID or your X account. So for this tutorial, I'll be using my X account to sign up since they are like cousins. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the profile. It's straightforward. Just verify your X account and you're in. The design is sleek and familiar, yet totally forward-thinking. Now that you're all set, take a quick tour of what Grok AI can do. From advanced reasoning to personalized recommendation, it really bridges the best of both classic usability and modern AI magic. That's a wrap on the install. If you dig this blend of tradition and innovation, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? Does Grok AI live up to the hype? Thanks for watching, and remember, honoring the classics while pushing forward is how we change the game. Catch you in the next one.